I'm Gregory Wheeler. I'm a professor of philosophy and computer science and the academic director for the Master of Applied Data Science program at Frankfurt School. So the style of teaching varies. All of it is hands-on. Common foundation needs to be put in place. Those things will be a bit more structured with programming assignments and a series of lectures, all the way up to open projects that students will use in class. And then we also have something called a company cooperative project, which is much more like a real-life project. And then that also, many of those projects often to become turned into thesis. And so Frankfurt, even though it's a financial hub in the center really of the European Union with the ECB and also the German central bank, nevertheless has a very rich ecosystem of data scientists that are working at startups, at medium-sized companies, of course in finance, in the ECB, but also because of the Frankfurt airport, there are many multinationals that have offices and labs nearby. Our MAD students have been placed in a variety of roles, from data scientists, data engineering roles, but also in consultancy, working in marketing groups, also as bridges between an existing data analytics group and business analytics or business problems. It depends on the size of the organization. So our goal of the program really is to allow for a wide diversity of roles and for students to be comfortable in entering into a number of roles. So the MADS program combines a wide range of students deliberately. So we have students with an economics or business background, we have students with a more STEM background, computer science. We've also had physicists in the program. And in fact, the program is designed for students to learn as much from one another as they'll learn from us. And that should set them on a lifelong goal of learning and also an enriching career in data science.